Guys, special announcement coming at you straight from the NugSmasher factory. The 420 sale is on right now. Lowest prices of the year, I guarantee it. The NugSmasher Mini, $420. The NugSmasher XP, guys, $999 for the XP. The NugSmasher IQ, $4,200. And guys, the golden ticket is back for the 420 sale. One in every NugSmasher Minis, one in every 20 NugSmasher Minis gets a golden ticket. One in every 5 NugSmasher IQs gets a $500 golden ticket, guys. One in every 10 NugSmasher XPs that ship from the factory gets a golden ticket. Doesn't matter where you buy your NugSmasher from. It's shipped from the factory during the 420 sale. You have a chance of getting your golden ticket in the NugSmasher, in your NugSmasher shipment. The NugSmasher 420 sale is on right now, NugSmasher.com. Everything is priced to sale, in stock, while supplies last, guys. So don't miss out. Tell a friend, will you?